Hey y'all, I'm gonna share with y'all on this little cooking segment a meal that might be one of Michael's favorite meals. And it's country fried steak, rice and gravy, and garden pea salad. I keep little garden peas in my cabinet because I know anybody that walks through my door, I can please them with those and they'll eat them. So that's a great thing for me. Now I'm gonna take 2 cans of tiny sweet peas. And when I make this, I usually, now if it's just Michael and me, I'll just use 1 can. But I know this is gonna get eaten. So this is stupid simple too, y'all. So to my peas, I'm gonna add, that's probably 1/3 cup of diced onions. And the onions really makes it good. Okay. And I add 2 diced up eggs. And let's see if how that did. Diced them up pretty good. All right, this thing has 2. If you just want it sliced, you can put it there, but if you want it cut more than one way, you just put it in that bottom one. And there you go. Simple, simple, simple. Usually, I'll just take my eggs and crush them in my hands. But for a while, I'm not gonna be doing things that way. But that gets them nice and crushed. All right. I'm gonna add, let's see, the recipe calls for 2 or 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise just to kind of moisten our peas. So you really do this by feel. You don't want to be too heavy. You'd rather add a little bit and then as you need it, add more. And this is just delicious. Now you can do other things with this, you know, just use your imagination. If you want some color in it, we've got some diced pimentas. That would be pretty in it. In fact, I think I'll go ahead and just get a little pimenta out and put it on it, and you want to make sure that you don't put the liquid in it. But like I said, this is the base. And now just do whatever you want. And see, that's probably a tablespoon right there. And I did like 1.5 of these. And that's like perfect. All right. I have a seasoning out there that's called Silly Salt. And this is the seasoning I love for like chicken salad, pea salad, shrimp salad. I just love the taste of that, the flavors. So I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in there, not much, because everybody can salt it as they would like to. I'm gonna add, I really like that red in there, so I'm gonna add a little bit more. See, I told you this was
What about the cheese?
Silly simple. It does not call for cheese.
Oh.
Now, why did you think it called for cheese?
I don't know.
But you know, you could, I wondered why the cheese was out, but you could certainly add cheese. You know, there's no rules. That's what I love about cooking. Because it's all about your palate. Things that you like. If you come up on a recipe and you're not particularly fond of celery, let's say celery, substitute it with bell pepper. I mean, you can, there are no rules, honey, when it comes to your cooking. And this is the way I serve it. I've got some beautiful butter lettuce. And I'm just piling that in there. And let's see, let's brighten this up with a little, if I can find it, we'll brighten it up. No, we don't want cinnamon. Now, where did you go?
What you looking
for you
for?
every time. Paprika. You see it, Eddie?
Cayenne pepper.
Oh no, I don't want cayenne
Show
pepper.
them that spice drawer of everything.
Oh,
that's
yeah.
in there. And they'll understand why you can't find it.
Let's see if they
Do
can
y'all
help
see
you
why I
find it.
can't find it?
I bet you're
Laugh
not
in
the only
here.
one that has a drawer that looks like that.
I bet I'm not either.
Oh, and it continues on.
Oh, look! Over here in another
Who
drawer.
put that there?
I don't know. I think Eddie did. I think Eddie moved my cheese. So there we go for a touch of color. A delicious, quick side dish that I promise even your pickiest will eat. Well, maybe not the onions. But do try this, y'all. Love and best dishes. Stay safe. Oh, those dogs. Stay safe until I see you next time.